Before we begin, let me give you a quick recap. After reaching Padum, our homestay owner and soon-to-be special friend gave us a few suggestions. One of them was that we should visit a frozen waterfall that is around a 45-minute hike from Padum. Being an absolute hopeless waterfall lover, I really wanted to know how it would look like being completely frozen. But there were a few incredible things he didn't tell us that we would encounter on the way. Let me show you.
What is up, people? Today we are going to this waterfall. This should be frozen by now. So let's see how that looks and show you the way. This is the way. We'll try to turn all the way to the bridge from there and take that road. The road is super beautiful.
A 45-minute walk to the waterfall. That line was such an understatement to what we were going to see. It was so hard to vlog in these moments because I was seeing the world in a way that I could not comprehend. I had seen snow, but this seemed like the part of the world that seemed so uninhabited. You know those moments that when they happen to you, you just know that you won't ever forget this? This was one of them.
This is not like walking in Rohtang or someplace. This is the actual wild. Keep looking up because these places might have shipshanks. Shipshanks are basically a mix between a dog and a wolf. They're really dangerous. They eat humans. Even snow leopards don't go close to them. I've also heard of bears that roam this area. Cute little foxes as well. And it'll be a long time until someone can come and save you. That's what makes this place really special.
Wolf, snow leopard.
ये दिखेगा? दिख सकता है?
नहीं, लास्ट टाइम जो मेरा एक आया था बंदा, वो गया था यहाँ तक, चीला तक, तो उसने बोला भाई वहाँ पे मार्क्स थे उसके ना बियर के. We Bigfoot, Yetis. Have you heard about Yeti? Huh?
These footprints are of a bear or something bigger than a bear. Look at this.
I don't want to be here. The guy said there'll be bears and snow.
This is the way and beach mein we found this avalanche. It came all the way from the top. The road is blocked. And this is a lot of snow. Whoa. If you break through, it won't be a big deal if I break through.
Even though the scares were thrilling at the time, there were two things that were making this really hard. Tanvi had a very bad shoe bite on her ankle and her skin was peeling with every step. And I was actually wearing a lumbar belt for my slip disc while walking on snow. But the things that happened next made it worth it.
शीला गांव कितना दूर है अभी?
शीला इधर से रास्ता
कितना
शीला गाँव से?
अब शीला
पास में?
हाँ जंगल में.
आधा घंटा पहुंच जाएंगे?
आधा घंटा.
हाँ ठीक है. चले.
आई टाटा नाले.
ओह बाय कर दिया. चले जी. वाटरफॉल कब तक फ्रोजन रहता है?
ये मार्च एंड
तक फिर थोड़ा थोड़ा आने लगता है. आपका गाँव तो बहुत खूबसूरत है. यहाँ पे कुछ होमस्टेज भी है? समर में भी नहीं है. अच्छा, तो उधर ही पदम में रुकना पड़ता है.
नया जो बना रहा है ना वो फैसिलिटी वो पूरा हो नहीं. जैसे भी ये है ना
हाँ
ये होम स्टे का बना है, उधर एक बना है याद रहा है.
अच्छा, तो अभी टाइम लगेगा बनने में.
बन रहा है.
ठीक, हम फिर आएंगे तो समर में.
अब कहाँ से?
हम तो दिल्ली से.
दिल्ली से.
हाँ जी.
What is the price of happiness? How much money or fame is enough? I don't know. But the people of Sheila taught me that if you really understand happiness, it can be had with very little, even in the most difficult conditions.
वहाँ क्या है?
Oh, देखो सर।
ओ वहाँ खेलने आ रहे हैं? हाँ? That's sick.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's
You know how they say that the journey is often more rewarding than the destination? This hike to Sheila was the same. Not because the waterfall wasn't a sight to behold, but because of everything that happened on the way. Just made me feel more.
To see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this